subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Vivo's upcoming affordable smartphone was spotted on Chinese certification site Tina, which is believed to be Vivo Y15 smartphone. The listing reveals the renders and key specifications of the upcoming smartphone. And according to listing, the Vivo Y15 will support a 6.51-inch HD+ AMOLED display, and it will house 8-megapixel selfie camera at the top center. The rear panel of the phone appears to feature a dual camera setup in a squarish module at the top left corner, including LED flash. The dual rear cameras will include one 13-megapixel primary camera and a 2-megapixel secondary lens. The phone is listed to come powered by an octa-core 2.4 GHz processor paired with 4 or 6 GB of RAM and 64 or 128 GB of internal storage with up to 1 TB microSD card expansion support. The device will pack with a massive 4910 mAh battery, and it will likely run on Android 11 out of the box. The physical dimensions of the smartphone is listed to measure at 163.96 by 75.2 by 8.28 mm, and it will weight around 179 grams. Apart from this, there is no other details of Vivo Y15 smartphone has leaked so far. So as of now, that's all we know about the Vivo Y15 smartphone, and we'll come to know more detail about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.